Question will be same. Find centroid of shaded region. Draw the diagram. Till then I will make the columns. Okay, let us start with the solution. First step. First step is to check whether the object is symmetric or not. So whether it is symmetric?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
it is not symmetric. So what is our concept next? Where to select reference point?
Reference point.
सर एक्स वाई दिया हुआ है तो सर
I
जो मीट
के
करता है उधर
Yes,
रेफरेंस पॉइंट
we
चाहिए.
origin,
cannot.
sir.
So as x and y axes are given, we cannot choose our own reference. Our reference point will be what? Yes.
Origin.
Yes. The place where
Origin
x
where
and y
they
axis
meet.
meet, that is origin, and this will now become my reference point. We cannot select our reference point on our own if x and y axes are given. So this is my reference point. And by marking this, what I have committed that all distance I will take from this particular point. Okay, next part. Next part is divide the entire object into minimum number of standard parts. So what are they? It's very simple.
Triangle, semicircle,
semicircle.
quarters.
Triangle,
Yes, it's
semicircle,
very simple.
quadrilateral.
It's very
Two
simple.
semicircle.
One will be the semicircle, the large semicircle.
Yeah.
Then it will be one small semicircle, and then it will be a triangle.
Triangle.
So can I give you 5 minutes to solve?
सर वो डिग्री वाला क्या है सर? वो जो 60 डिग्री.
यही तो मजा है इसमें. ठीक है, चलो ये वाला पार्ट स्टार्ट करके मैं आप लोग के ऊपर छोड़ता हूँ.
उसमें वो थ्योरम यूज करेंगे ना.
कौन सा थ्योरम?
एक है ना 30 60 90.
यस गुड वही यूज करना है. चलो ठीक है, देखते हैं. चलो मैं स्टार्ट करके छोड़ता हूँ, बाद में आप लोग स्टार्ट वो कैलकुलेट करो. देखो नाउ फॉर अ सेमी सर्कल वी नो दैट फॉर अ सेमी सर्कल व्हाट वी नीड. चलो पहले ये बताओ सेमी सर्कल है क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, क्या लगता है हमको फॉर्मूले में?
सर रेडियस.
सिर्फ रेडियस लगता है. देखो एक्स बार भी आप देखोगे 4r/3 पाई, वाई बार 4r/3 पाई, एरिया पाई आर स्क्वायर. मतलब हर जगह हमको क्या लग रहा है? रेडियस. So radius of this semicircle, the big one, is already given to me as 8 meters. कोई नहीं है.
मीटर.
ठीक है. Now for second semicircle again we need radius which is also given 3 meters.
3 मीटर.
Okay. Now for triangle, this is the main part. For triangle we need the base and height of the triangle. Correct? Is it correct? We need the base and height. Half into base into height. So I need this base. I need what is this base and I need what is this height. Now let us go to the main figure. Now triangle base. If you observe this base of the triangle, what is this for semicircle? This line.
रेडियस.
Radius for semicircle, and radius is given as
8 मीटर.
So I will write that
8.
this base is 8. Any doubts?
No sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
that means I can write here also the base is 8. Now for height we have not given directly, but we have given something like this. 60 degree is the angle. Now we know that from basic trigonometry I can write tan of theta. Tan theta is what? Basic. Tan theta is what?
Opposite upon adjacent है ना sir?
This is the word which can give you the ratios. ओशा छोटा. ठीक है, ओशा छोटा is the word. Now see here, this is the s component means sine. ठीक है, तो साइन विल बी इक्वल टू, और साइन थीटा विल बी इक्वल टू, यहाँ पर क्या है? ओ है. ओ मीन्स ऑपोजिट, डिवाइडेड बाय एच मीन्स हाइपोटेन्यूज. ठीक है, ये तीन के सेट का आंसर हो गया. नाउ नेक्स्ट थ्री सेट इज दिस ए सी एच. द मिडल टर्म इज सी. सी मीन्स cos theta. Cos theta will be left side, it is a, that means it will be adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Now for this third term set of 3, the middle term is t, so it will be tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है ये पार्ट? Now again observe in this triangle, ये मेरे पास एंगल दिया हुआ है 60. सो आई कैन यूज एनी ऑफ दिस. मैं इसमें से कोई भी यूज कर सकता हूँ. बट मेरे को क्या दिख रहा है? देखो 60 के जस्ट बाजू वाली साइड का वैल्यू मेरे को मालूम है 8. तो ऐसा कोई चीज जिसका एडजेसेंट में आ रहा हो, तो ये दो ऑप्शन है, cos थीटा tan थीटा. बट अगर cos थीटा यूज करूंगा तो एडजेसेंट अपना हाइपोटेन्यूज है, मेरे पास हाइपोटेन्यूज भी अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो आई विल यूज दिस tan थीटा. Tan theta is opposite means this one, this height which we need, so let us say h, divided by adjacent is 8. So I will write tan 60 is equal to h by 8. and finally I will get h is equal to 8, 10, 60. So in calculator, find out the value of 8, 10, 60. What is that answer? In your calculators, there is a button for 10, 10 of theta. So 8 into 10 of 60. What you will get?
13.85.
13.85.
13.85. Okay, correct answer. 13.85. That means this height of the triangle is 13.85. Let me write here. 13.85.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first is this semicircle, the bigger one. So the area of semicircle, we all know it is pi into r square. R is given to us as 8 centimeter, sorry, 8 meters. So it will be pi r square by 2. No worries. Now, for a semicircle, now listen to this. In this, x bar and y bar are more important. For semicircle, we know that from the diameter end, this distance is nothing but 4r by 3 pi. Now, from which point? From this point. Now, locate this point in our main figure, which is nothing but this one only.
Reference
Is
point.
it same? Yes.
Yes,
Is
sir.
this point and that point of semicircle same?
Yes, sir.
Chalo,
Yes.
now we know that centroid lies somewhere here. If I mark here, this is my centroid for this semicircle, which is at a distance of how much? 4r by
4 by 3
3
pi.
pi. Okay. Now, what we need our distance from our reference point. Now, our reference point and this reference point are same. So now tell me what will be x and y.
Sir, x is equal to 0.
Yes, and what
0.
about y?
4r by 3 pi.
4r by 3 pi. There is something missing.
NS minus, sir.
Yes, it will be minus 4r by 3 pi. देखो आप यहाँ पर देखो अब मैं यहाँ पर हूँ. Simple logic. I am here. Do I want to move in anything in x direction? मेरे को लेफ्ट या राइट कहीं जाना है क्या इस पॉइंट से?
No, sir.
नहीं जाना है. लेफ्ट या राइट में कहीं नहीं जाना है. That's why x will be 0. That is obvious. So this is 0. Now I want to travel this much distance towards downside. That's why it will be minus. So it will be minus of 4r by 3 pi. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Because I am going below to my reference point. मैं अपने reference point के नीचे जा रहा हूँ, इसलिए it will be minus.
सर वो जीरो वाला फिर से बताओ ना.
0 वाला ठीक है. देखो मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, बराबर है.
हाँ
I am
सर.
here और मेरा reference point भी यही है.
हाँ सर.
So मुझे x में मतलब लेफ्ट या राइट में कहीं मूव करना है क्या? अगर मुझे इस पॉइंट पर पहुंचना है, तो मुझे लेफ्ट या राइट में कहीं जाना पड़ेगा?
नहीं सर.
नहीं जाना पड़ेगा, इसलिए 0.
ओके सर.
ठीक है. Now for this semicircle again we know that area is pi r square by 2. So it will be pi multiplied by radius of small semicircle is given to us as 3. So it is pi r square by 2. And what is missing?
Minus.
Yes, it will be minus because it is not in the shaded region. So minus pi r square by 2. Now again same logic. We know that from this point this distance is how much? 4r by 3 pi. Correct? Now locate this point here. Locate this center here. So this is nothing but this point. ये वाली point है वो. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Now we know that centroid lies somewhere here. Which is at a distance of how much? 4r by 3 pi.
4r by 3 pi.
ठीक है. Now I need distance from my reference point. So what will be the distance from here to here? It's simple.
Sir,
In
8
y
minus
direction. In
4r
y
by 3
direction.
pi.
Yes, in y direction it is 4r by 3 pi, but as I am going down from my reference, it will be minus r by 3 pi. ये हो गया y का. अब देखो, तुम नीचे तो आ गए, बट आपको यहाँ से यहाँ भी तो आना है. From here to here, x के लिए. My reference is this point. From here to here, what is the distance? चलो बताओ फटाफट. ये अच्छा पॉइंट है. 5. कितना आना चाहिए? So understand this part carefully. देखो, this is given to us radius as 3. मतलब ये 3 है, बराबर है.
हाँ सर.
अगर ये 3 है तो ये भी कितना होगा?
3 होगा.
3 होगा because it is radius of same circle. Now
Yes, sir.
also this total distance from here to here, यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये वाला distance from this point to this point, from this point to this point, what is this? This is radius of this semicircle.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means the value is 8.
8.
Okay, now this from here to here it is 8, out of which from here to here it is 6. So what will be this remaining
6.
distance?
2.
2, sir. 8 minus 6.
Okay, 8 minus 6, the distance will be 2. अब आ जाओ जो हमको चाहिए था डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर फॉर एक्स बार, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस चाहिए था. कितना हो जाएगा? It is 5. Simple. 3 plus 2. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
But is it only 5? Is it only 5?
No, minus.
Minus
It will be minus of 5. Why minus of 5? Because I am going towards left of my reference. मैं अपने reference से left की तरफ जा रहा हूँ, इसलिए it will be minus 5. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. For triangle we know that area is half into base into height. तो इसका तो जो भी आंसर आएगा वो लिख लेंगे बाद में. Regarding x bar and y bar, we know that centroid of triangle lies somewhere here, which is at a distance of base by 3, that is 8 by 3, and height by 3, so that is 13.85 by 3. From which point? From this point making right angle triangle. So now locate this point in our main figure. This is this one. ये वाली point है वो. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That means our reference and triangle reference is one and the same. हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir.
हमारा reference और triangle का reference same है. So no need to add or subtract anything. Directly I will write x bar is equal to 8 by 3, y bar is equal to 13.85 divided by 3. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, so give me the answers now. So with this we have completed our calculation table. Now last part, x bar is equal to summation of ai xi divided by summation of ai. So I need summation of ai xi column and I need summation of ai column. So can someone give me the answer for this?
141.79.
141.79 for area. And what about ai xi?
218.01.
218.01. Okay, so it will be here 218.01 divided by 141.79. So what is the answer?
1.53.
1.53. Okay, and the units will be meter. And for y bar we need summation of ai yi divided by summation of ai. So it will be summation of ai, that means I require addition of this column. And what is this value?
Minus 67.46.
Minus 67.46.
6.
Okay, so it will be minus 67.46 divided by 141.79. So answer will be minus 0 point something.
0.47.
0.47 meters. So finally I will write centroid is equal to, or centroid coordinates are 1.53 comma minus 0.47